Today's lesson is proofs with parallel lines, and to understand the concept, we're going to do this with picture proofs first. Okay, so I have two examples that we're going to do two proofs with pictures, and I have 10 theorems. Theorems require proof. I have two postulates. I do not require any proof, and then I have two definitions. These are biconditionals from P to Q. So this is going back to some of our geometric reasoning. So example number 1, I have given a flower. I want to prove a smiley face. So in my statements column, these are all going to be, other than the first one, these are going to be an if something, then something format. And my reasons are going to be the postulate, the theorems, and the definitions. All right, so let's start out with. So we've done proofs a couple times now. So whatever I begin with, I write down in the first statement. So I'm given a flower. So this is my first statement. So I'm going to just draw it as a flower. So I'm given that, and the first reason is going to be given. And I'm trying to prove a smiley face. So at the end, I have a smiley face. So I'm trying to prove a smiley face. Okay, so let's start out with, I'm going to start out with if I have a flower. So if a flower, then what can I have? And I'm trying to end up with a smiley face. So if I come over here and look and I see if I have a flower, then I can get a boat. If I have a boat, then I can get a heart. Or I can look at, if I get a heart, then I can get a smiley face. So I'm just trying to connect these all. So I'm going to use theorem number 2. So if I get a flower, then I can get a boat. So I can get a boat. And I'm going to say this reason is theorem number 2. So theorem number 2. So now that I have a boat, I start with the boat. So if I have a boat, so I'm using this here. So I'm chaining this in. So if I have a boat, then I can get a heart. And I see that with theorem number 6. Then I can get a heart. And that is theorem number 6. Okay. And then over here on the definitions, I see if I get a heart, then I can have a smiley face. So if heart, then smiley face. And that's what I'm trying to get right here. Okay. And we said that's definition of heart. Okay, so I am just connecting together. I'm starting with flower, flower to boat, boat to heart, heart to smiley face. So I'm just connecting them together. Let's do one more example. This time I'm given two things. I'm given a star and a shamrock, and I'm trying to prove a boat. Okay, so I'm going to just write in that I have a star, and that this is given. And I'm given a shamrock. And that is given. Okay, so this is and then I'm trying to show that I'm trying to prove a boat down here. Okay. So I'm looking at if I see a star. So I'm starting with a star. So if I have a star, then I can get a smiley face. And I see if I have a smiley face, or if I have a shamrock, then I can get a moon. So if I have a smiley face and a moon, then I can get a boat. And I'm trying to get a boat. So I'm setting up that if I have a star, so if star, then I can get a smiley face. And that's theorem number 1. And if I have a shamrock, so I'm coming up here to this shamrock. If I have a shamrock, then I can get a moon, and that is theorem number 3. So now I have a smiley face and a moon. So if I have a smiley face and a moon, then I can get a boat. So 5, if smiley face and a moon, then a boat. And that is theorem number 7. Okay, so I am just trying to connect beginning to end, just like what we did when we did our conditional project.